Universal Plastics is a custom thermoformer, and we specialize in large, highly cosmetic parts for the aerospace, medical, and industrial segments. But I think what's really cool about what we do is that we bring products to life.
We're custom manufacturers. We kind of go where our customers take us.
And as our customers' needs have changed and they've become more global, that's something we've really invested in, is finding that sort of broader slew of secondary capabilities to support them with.
There aren't people in Europe, for instance, that can do exactly what we can do. And it's amazing to me that we can take stuff that we make here and actually ship it across the ocean and still be competitive with people over there.
We've started building a global supply chain. So what we do is we bring in some of the lower value components, we source them overseas, we bring them here, and then we do the higher value aspects of the manufacturing and the assemblies in-house in our plants here in Massachusetts.
That's what's important to us, that our customers see us as a global supplier now.
Massachusetts has the best workforce around. And in this day and age, really, your workforce is your edge.
Our company can respond in 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. That's valuable in a world moving as fast as this world is right now.
Everything we do here at Universal Plastics is to become that one-stop go-to supplier for our customers, whether it's acquiring new businesses, whether it's building new processes, or whether it's adopting new technologies. That's what we're here for, is to go where our customers need to go.